Now, the topic here is 7 things Christianity changed in Igbo. So I'm going to give my own input and explain it by tailoring it down to our ancestral perception as an Igbo. Now, the first one here is the dibia was cast as a witch. The dibia was cast as a witch. Now, dibias were known as to be healers, seers, and custodians of knowledge. And Christianity labeled them witch doctors. Now, dibia means dibia, masters of knowledge. You can add masters of esoteric knowledge, but a dibia is what? A master of knowledge. Now, what makes a dibia is what we call agu, as in Igbo. Agu means the spirit entity of creativity, knowledge, and wisdom. So, because what makes a dibia is agu, you will now understand why a dibia becomes a master of knowledge. Because through the institution of Agwo, a dibia now has the capacity to tap into the frequency of Agwo that provides it with the world of knowledge to function in different capacity. We have a dibia that is in charge of herbs and roots. Onye roots to heal people, not by praying or giving you miracle water or giving you kola nut or by sacrificing to deities. No. This group of people, they use roots. They are root workers. Aganafia, nofia, they will bring out roots and walk all ye, and other kinds of illness, and that person would be, the illness will disappear because na dibia hunmegene used a practical process by your wall. We also have dibia na wafa. These kinds of people are connected to the Awo of divination. They can be able to use their access to Awo to consult or to tap into the past, present, and future. And they can be able to bring out informations that they can use to heal or save or to solve a problem. Another kind of Awo or the dibia institution that we have are dibia, the kind of ones that serve as a bridge between man and spirit or man and deity. These are the kind of people that you consult with when you're having sort of a spiritual problem. Now, in our institution as in the Igbo, we never saw the institution of the deities or the interactions that we had with these deities as demonic or evil. Because these deities,